When the fabric goes down, it goes down in a relaxed state. You don't want to stretch it.
You don't want to stretch this fabric. You want a relaxed stage. Then you take your scissors and you make an incision right on top of this rib, right up to the.
Is that when you go home and see your wife's scissors and she's...
Yeah, and then you get
upset because it's your sewing
and then you come in here and you push that down.
Okay.
And then a good thing to do, once this is laid in here, like this, is actually just let it dry. Don't try to put anything else on top of it right now. Let it dry, then your fabric's not going to be pulling it. Okay? It's going to be there. Rudy's going to take over, Jason's going to take over, and then he's going to invite you guys in here to get your hands wet. And we're going to do some stuff. Do we have more brushes?
If you do this as a partnership, it works really good. If you get one guy on the roll, one guy on just getting coatings down, you can even get 3 guys depending on the application. I mean, you can really get guys going and get a lot of things done in a hurry. But the big thing with making these roofs function and getting in there and getting it done is getting the system worked out to where you guys can really get it done.
Over here, and
You want to make sure that you get enough coating to get the whole way. Go ahead, get started there. Somebody else can jump in on the roll here if you guys want to roll something out. You want to eliminate all those pinholes you can that are created by folding fabric. Just work those in. Right there's another one. It's just little pinholes that come up, and those will absorb water. So you just want to make sure that that's one of the most important things with this. And we keep going over it. Is apply this stuff properly. You won't have any problems ever.
The next step on this, once this is dry and you do your base coat, then you take a brush and you back brush everything. All the seams get back brushed. You don't just spray them. Because that will then fill all the voids in, while you're back brushing the base coat, there's nothing there. One of the things that Mason pointed out, he saw these screw holes here. It's a great observation. Before this roof even gets the primer on, all the screws get buttoned down, all these holes get screws put in, all these issues get addressed, like loose metal. Like I see you have your ribs right here that are standing up 3/8 of an inch, you zip screw those down so that you got a good, seam to go with.
Now we can go right down that seam and put a nice little bead on there. You want to make sure to not leave anything like that. Get all the way over that rail. Not tip me a little teeny. Where do you get it done anyway? Make sure you don't stretch your coating. It's easy to put your fingers in the roll and take off. It's very fast, but it takes a long time to come back and figure out all that ink because you're coating over here. Tape will actually curl up on the side. So what we do here is we lay it out without stretching it. We go back over it with another layer.
That's a good idea.
There we go. Now it's straight.
I'm sure a lot of these guys pick it up.
Now we go ahead and brush it in with the brush. All right, somebody want to take a turn?
I did.
I'll spray that. Okay.
Didn't look very good.
Pick your sprayer tip back up.
I'm good with it.
On the other side. There we go. Somebody want to roll that?
Right here, guys. When he's spraying like that, this you need a thin whip, and you need to give him all the room like that, so that he's free to see what happened over there. Is it kind of got tight a little bit?
The big thing here is consistency in the daub. If you got it like that big one there, if they start to roll over the side, you get shadow lines when you're running your top coat. And so we've been toying with this system because it's easier for somebody to learn, because that plunger push is very consistent. It's not kind of you're working a whole bunch of things at the same time.